Hi, I'm Jason. This is the Viewfinder backpack from Manhattan Portage Black Label. This is a hard-shelled camera backpack with a padded interior. This exterior material is 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, the most durable material that we use. Here on the front, we have one front zippered compartment, and we also have these hideaway buckles, which are great for any additional equipment that you have that can't fit inside the bag. Things like light stands, things like tripods, etc. The bag features two handles, this top handle and this side carry handle, perfect for carrying the bag briefcase style. Over here on the back, we have two straps to put over the handle of rolling luggage, makes traveling much easier. And the main backpack straps are actually Tuckaway, made of the same 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon as the bag. The straps, very heavily padded, feature two D-rings and a chest belt. All external zippers on the bag feature special lining to help keep all moisture out. Inside the bag, we have this nice padded, large zippered compartment, perfect for laptops, and a roomy, customizable padded interior that can fit up to 2 pro bodies, multiple lenses, and even additional accessories. This is the Viewfinder backpack from Manhattan Portage Black Label.